In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to hide your number while calling in Realme Phone. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. To turn off your number while calling in Realme, all you have to do is follow these steps through the phone app that comes pre-installed in your device. So let's open up the phone app by clicking on the phone app icon. Within the phone app, click on the menu icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Select Settings from the top-down menu and click on Calling Accountants from the menu you see. Below Block Numbers and above Display Options. Press Carrier Call Settings on the bottom of the page and select Additional Settings from the next list of options. In here you should see all of your SIM cards. If you want to hide your numbers from all your SIM cards, do the same steps for all SIM cards. Select whichever one you want to hide and then select Owner's Number. It's the first option. From the menu that appears on the bottom of your screen, just select Hide Number and go back. Like I said, repeat this from any other SIMs you would like to hide. Now, the caller ID is now hidden when you make a call through the phone app on your Realme phone. I hope I was able to help you on how to hide your number while calling in Realme. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.